Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler. Today we're going to be looking at the US dollar index as price has approached our $96 support zone. So in the market outlook this week, we suggested that the US dollar index could enter this area and potentially retrace back up into the lows before seeing another continued move off around these 96.56 lows. Okay, now what we are looking at is how we can possibly trade this further dollar weakness. Now, last week we were looking at the potential for the dollar to fall or at least react from this 97.60 as the FOMC were slightly more dovish than anticipated on their economic outlook. We also have Fed Chairman Powell speaking this week, and he should really reiterate those claims. And just looking at the Fibonacci, I'm just going to move it from this swing low to this swing high. I know this candle hasn't finished yet, but if everything stays like this, then this zone here between these lows and into these lows, let me just zoom back a little bit, like so, and in there. Just want to include these bodies and stuff in there. If the market moves back into this level, we'll be looking on our lower time frame for a nice double top pattern and head towards these lows again. If the market long term takes out these lows, $96, we expect 95 to be the next sort of area, and then if it breaks below that, heading towards into these 94s. Okay, but take it step by step basis. We've had our first move, second move, we could be heading towards our third move. We get a nice pullback. We could even pull back into the 50% retracement around 96.80 because there's a nice low in here that the market could test as well, and there's a nice 50% Fibonacci retracement at that point. But you know, looking for those dollar weakness on pullbacks looks good. I mean, if we go to the other charts, so for Euro for instance, taking out those swing highs nicely, we bounced back into these swing highs previously. In there, market found support again, we bounced off nicely. You're heading towards these highs. We should see a reaction from these highs in here, and we should expect at least the market to, if it does test this area, to pull back towards these structure highs back around 133.37. So again, looking left, we have these highs to contend with. If the market does decide to retest this area, we could look for some potential short-term shorts into these highs to then look for that continuation trade on the US dollar weakness. Okay, so keep your eyes on this. I think this is definitely something that we can look to trade going into this week, and hopefully we can get those key levels and support and demand zones, supply and demand zones acting proportionately in this section of the week. So thanks for watching this video update. If you have any comments, please comment below. If you're watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe to the channel for more content. If you're watching on TradingView, give us a comment. Follow us here. Drop a comment. How do you see Euro dollar trading this week? Thanks for watching.